Hey everyone, it's Astronaut, back with another video.
Oh shit, here we go again.
And this is a video that I have never made before. Nothing like that has ever been done before in this channel. Because today, I have an unboxing video.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Unboxing video. Actually, for some time now, 6 months or something, I have been wanting to upgrade my computer because I have been making projects that have just been way too heavy for my computer. My exact computer specs is my CPU is an AMD Ryzen 3200G with Radeon Vega graphics and a base frequency of 3.6 GHz, and I also had 8 GB of RAM. I don't know what kind of RAM it was just 8 GB and around 1300 MHz. That was the frequency of the RAM, that was really low. And so a while ago I got a Kingston Fury Beast RAM of 16 GB and I paired it up with that 8 GB RAM. Now that may not have been the wisest choice because the new RAM was 16 GB and 3600 MHz. Yeah, probably not that good because it's doubling down with my first one, but now I have 24 GB of RAM. Basically that's doubling down to 1002 and 300 MHz. But except for that, I have also got two new things to order: the Ryzen 7 5800X, and here it is. Here is the box. I received it a couple of days ago, perhaps a week ago, and it is, well, it says right here, it's an 8-core 16-thread processor with a base frequency of 3.8 GHz and a max frequency of 4.7 GHz. And I got this one for €218.75. That's a lot, but it's nothing compared to the graphics card, the new graphics card that I got. Yep, that's right, this 8-core 16-thread processor was not enough. I figured that for Unreal Engine and for Blender, I had to get much more VRAM, much more video memory. Just had to upgrade from that RX 550, 4 GB of VRAM. That's not a lot by any means. So I decided I got an ZOTAC's Twin Edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. Yes, that's right, the 3060. It is 12 GB of VRAM and with ray tracing DLSS. I don't know what that is. I know what ray tracing is because I have tried to use it in Unreal Engine. Yeah, all those things. I'm not an expert in hardware, but that's basically what it is, and including all the other fees that I had to pay, I paid €365.23, so roughly €365. So for both the CPU and the GPU I paid €580.98. That is almost, let's say, roughly €581. That's a lot. My pocket really hurts right now, but it was a worthwhile investment, I'd like to think, because I am currently on my way to create my third game in Unreal Engine 5. I have a lot of things to do, and yeah, for this purpose I got this and this. So that's the Ryzen 7 and that's the 3060. I'm really excited about those things, and I'm actually going to unbox them right now in front of you because I'm really excited. It's a really big moment. Let's see. So for that purpose, let's get it. Alright, let's start with the Ryzen 7. Okay, so it's got this nice thingy right here. Actually,
a few moments later.
First major improvement in the studio. Last time I was so glad that I got something was when I got my microphone. This is actually the microphone that I'm recording right now. My first actual microphone for YouTube, the Razer Siren Mini. Shit, I suck at this. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is the manual. Shit. Come on, that's great. Oh, also look at this. Look at this. The CPU. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. I don't know if the camera can capture it all, but in actual life, in real life, it's outstanding. Actual life, in real life. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I got goosebumps. Okay, now let's move on to the graphics card, the big weapon. So it opens from the side. Okay, legend, wait. Unboxing videos are so satisfying. This is actually the most fun video that I have created, if not ever, then in months. Okay. Hope the camera can get all the hype. Oh, fun fact, I got these 2 days ago. Today it's Sunday, March 12th, 2023. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, man. Dude, come on. Look at this. Dude, I'm not acting at all right now. Okay, guys, this is the moment. Get amplifier. I don't know what that is, but it's awesome. Can you see this? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Dude. It's better than I thought. It's better than I thought, dude. I cannot believe this. Okay, I can. Look at the connector pins, guys. Look at the connector pins. Okay, gotta be very careful with that. Let's keep. It's really. Oh my god. I can feel the metalness, guys. Bruh. Oh my god. Yeah, damn, bro. Damn. Shit, I got a hole in this glove too. The almighty 3060. Dude, take a look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, what is going on? Damn, bro. Look at this. Look at this. This is the Ryzen 7 and this is the 3060. Oh, this glossiness, this. Oh my god, this is so nice. is actually the first graphics card that I see in front of me. It is the best thing ever. This legend right here. It smells like metalness. Probably know what it feels like. If you have ever gotten a graphics card, I just bumped my nose on that silicone thing right here. Damn. Shit. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
That's the stuff. I should watch more videos.